Hey everybody, Brian here from quantlabs.net. I just wanted to show you the portfolio tool for optimization or optimizing your portfolio. It's part of my research, one of my research arsenal tools. I've added a new script to it. So what it'll do is it'll create the Excel spreadsheet for you in an automated way. You can just add your symbols through here. This is all done again in MATLAB. So I've added Canadian Pacific, Suncor, IBB, the Biotech, ETF, SPY, and also create a spreadsheet of the range as far back as 3 years. Okay, you can change that to 1 year, half a year, whatever you want. And what it'll do is it'll create a new spreadsheet. I call it symbols.xls. So let me run it. Show you how fast it is. So it's going to create the spreadsheet right here. You can see it running in the background there. I'm going to pull up the file. It's called symbols. So you can see it's got the CP, Suncor, IBB, SPY, and it's got 754 rows within the spreadsheet. So now when I run my portfolio tool, my portfolio tool I've shown before in another video, what you do is you will data import using Excel. Of course you will import the Excel spreadsheet that we just created, a symbol. Now get rid of all these options because they can do some funky stuff. You just import the data, you can accept the data, here's the data, the returns, and you can then compute your efficient frontier, and then here is your expected annualized return with your risk. So if you want to choose this one, you can see here we'll get a 33% return, annualized volatility, drawdown of 7.69, and this is how we can allocate our portfolio weights. Alright, so let's say if we want lower return, lower risk, we can then get 23.26 with a volatility of 13.17, max drawdown of 5.9. And here's our portfolio performance. Alright, so knowing all that, we can sort of experiment. So in my case, I want better returns. So funny thing is, you just place the SPY with the oil. We run it to create the new spreadsheet. That's created now. Then we just create our symbols. See what happens here. So here's our CP. Now here's our oil. That used to be SPY. So if I rerun portfolio optimization tool, close that out, rerun it, and we're going to load in the new symbols spreadsheet. Symbols. This is with the oil instead of SPY. Import. Oh no, it's going to bomb. Let me re-import that. That shouldn't. Okay. We should be able to accept data. Yep, we did. Computer efficient frontier. So you can see we get a better return. So if we want that one, we get annualized return of 33.67, annual volatility at 18.56, drawdown 8.38. So just by changing that one ETF, running it, rerunning it, you can see the difference on just your research on the kind of returns you can expect just from this one tool, just like that. And we've kind of increased our annual return, or expected return, by almost, I'd say, 50% by just swapping out the oil ETF, or sorry, swapping out the SPY for the oil ETF. So that's how powerful this little tool is, and how fast you can get your code and your experimentation and testing and researching just with this one tool. Now, in terms of, I'm going to be packaging all this up. Includes the source code for the portfolio tool that you can download from MATLAB Central, but it is somewhat a pain to work with individually. So here's all the source code. But this little tool that I created is called Create Excel. Will make life a lot easier, and it just makes it a lot easier, as you can see. So that will be part of a package I'll make available for my members. If you're interested, just go to the description of the YouTube video here, and you can find the link to take you to where to get that package. Talk to you later.